Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, how are you?
Um,
Your camera is off.
I'm sorry, 1 second.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm sorry, I'm back. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
S- yeah, I'm looking for somebody to run Google and Facebook ads for clients of mine, and you think that you can fill that position?
Yes, I can fill up the position. I sent you
Um,
my portfolio. Did you check it? My bio or my
yeah,
previous
I
work?
I took a look. It was very nice.
Yeah, still I am working on Google Ads. Still I am working.
But you are so are how have your results been from both Facebook and Google ads? Have you seen good results for your clients?
Yeah, Google Ads always gives you good result. But in Facebook, there is little bit challenging to get good result. Because Facebook use only for entertainment purpose. It's a social media. We force it as a marketing, but Google
Yeah.
always use for marketing. Okay, so it's a, in Google conversion rate is high always, but in Facebook also we need to maintain lot of strategy, lot of plan, and need to be ways to execute our marketing plan properly. Then we can get a good result from Facebook. But first time,
Okay.
uh, Google always give you good result, but in Facebook it's a little bit tough.
Okay.
From my
At least
experience.
for both Facebook and Google ads, could you walk me kind of well, first, will you be running the ads or do you have a team or how does that work?
Uh, Basically, I work myself. I have a team, but
Okay.
I work myself.
Okay. And what's your strategy when it comes to Facebook and Google ads? How do you go about, optimizing the ads and making sure your
Okay,
clients can get the best results?
okay. So I have a lot of document. Uh, so I'll show you next. No problem. I'm just working on my some site. I will show in our next meeting. I'll show my strategy. But I will say that my strategy is sales funnel. You know about sales funnel in
Can you
Facebook.
say that again?
It's a sales funnel. The word most standard way. So what is
Okay.
sales funnel? First of all, we need to, if our client is new, if their
Yeah.
business is new,
Yeah.
then we have to be create brand awareness among our client. Okay.
Provide the ad creatives just in just visuals.
Yeah, I create ads. You
Okay.
just need to be your website link, your content. Also, I will manage the. I will edit the content after getting content from you. I will optimize myself. Okay,
Okay.
and you have to give me the video, add image or video, so that I can advertise. And for Google, all will be. I will do everything. Just I
Okay.
need to. I need to some survey from you or from your clients.
Yeah.
Okay, but everything I will do. But in Facebook, you have to give me some content, or you have to give me the video or image content. Okay, but I will suggest you which type of content, which type of image you need to create. I'll suggest you.
Okay. Um, what have you ever done ads for like a service-based business like a law firm or an insurance company?
I did a advertisement from law company, but to be honestly, I never ran for financial or insurance company.
Okay.
Okay,
No, that's okay. But you've ran for a law firm before.
yeah. I
Um,
did it,
how
and
how did your results? How were your results
I
with?
just start a campaign from law uh, in Google Ads. Okay, the conversion rate was 6.07%.
Now, how does that percentage compare to your other clients?
Yeah, it's good because it's
It's
service related. Uh, and I ran for the specific target wise. His local target. He target here local area for getting
okay.
clients.
I think on a side note, all of our Google ads will probably just be for like keyword searches, so they rank first for certain keywords.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be primarily what the clients are probably going to want. They won't want any Google like visual ads or YouTube ads. It'll be just keyword search.
Yes. So do you have agency?
Yes, I have an agency.
Uh, so right now you have no clients, right?
No clients yet. No, sir. But we are working. We we just started today, so hopefully we should have a client within the next week. I think so. That's why we're trying to find the best candidate to perform the ads. We want to get the best results.
Yeah, no problem. I will help you any problem, anything.
All
Also,
right. Well,
I charge you a little bit comfortable price.
oh yeah. What? Let's talk about pricing. What is your pricing?
Yeah, for Facebook ad, my monthly charge is $200. For
Okay.
Google's $300 for monthly.
Okay.
And one thing, if you need to set up tracking,
Yeah.
okay, it has extra fish for Facebook. For Facebook Pixel and conversion API. That means server side tracking. Cause in USA, lot of the people are using Apple, right? They use Safe browser, so you can track browser side. So you need to
Okay.
must be tracking your server side tracking. If
Did
you
you say
search,
is that an extra fee or is that all included in the 200 a month?
no, it's an extra fee. Cause did you know about Fiverr or Upwork? I think you know about Fiverr and Upwork, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So after finishing our conversation, you can search the Google. Only Facebook conversion API Pixel setup premium package is $200.
Okay.
Just $200 for premium package. And for Google Analytics and Tag Manager setup premium package is almost $200. But though I am working with you a long time, so I will charge you very comfortable for Facebook Pixel anything. I will charge you $70, $80. It's depending on CMS. Okay. So
Okay. So that would come with the tracking. It would come out to $270 a month for the Facebook ads.
yes, and if you don't need to tracking, just $200. But Facebook
All right.
recommended you tracking the data because without data
Yeah.
you can marketing properly. Also, almost like same in Google. Without tracking you can marketing properly. So
Okay.
for Google, it's same price, $80 for tracking.
All right. All right. Well, that sounds good, and I'll let you go, and we'll be in touch. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.